Hey, it's Ronald McDonald, and guess what? I have a word of advice for you guys. Guess what? Burping is good for you. When you burp, you release all the gases that are just trapped inside your body that you can't handle and take care of. So, this is what you do when you burp. That was a cough. When you burp, let me try to force it out. Burp. See, when you burp, you release gases that only come out the other way and make it stinky. So, let me tell you what. Better burp or slurp. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Ronald McDonald's personal, not so personal assistance. Yeah.